Welcome to my channel. Rangextd Wi-Fi Booster Setup. 1. Unbox the Rangextd Wi-Fi Booster, take out the device and accessories from the packaging and read the manual for guidance. 2. Plug in the booster, connect the Rangextd Booster to a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to stabilize. 3. Connect your device to the booster, on your phone, tablet, or computer. Go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the booster's default network, e.g., Rangextd. 4. Open a web browser. Launch a browser and type 192.168.7.234 or http://ap.setup into the address bar to access the booster's admin panel. 5. Log into the booster's interface. Use the default credentials provided in the manual, often admin for both username and password. 6. Select your home Wi-Fi network. From the list of available networks displayed, choose your main Wi-Fi network to extend. 7. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Input the password for your existing Wi-Fi network to allow the booster to connect and extend it. 8. Save and reboot. Click the Save or Apply button to confirm your settings. The booster will reboot to complete the setup. 9. Relocate the booster. After setup, unplug the booster and place it midway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. 10. Test the connection. Connect a device to the extended network, e.g., yournetwork_ext, and verify the signal strength and internet performance. Thank you for watching.